it's meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team with a look at your forecast. We'll have lots more snow. You can kind of see the banding nature of this snowstorm that we have seen, kind of heavy bands coming and going, and that will continue all the way through the night into Tuesday morning when this storm finally starts to release its impacts by about 11:30 on Tuesday. But we could see another 10 inches of snow in some parts of the mountains, especially the north and the central mountains. Here in the eastern plains here, all of this kind of gray low-level cloud that you see here on the model, that is the Arctic, essentially a very shallow layer of extremely cold air that will set in tomorrow. We'll also see a chance for a few bands very late on Monday night. If these do materialize, you can see a good half-inch of quick snow underneath them, but it looks like there's not going to be too many of those bands, so most of us will just get a not a sandwich for as far as snow goes. A lot more snow potential out here on the eastern plains as the high plains will get a big hit from the snow, 2 to 4 inches, and the cold. As you see the the cold weather advisories here in the light blue, cold weather advisories. In the purple, that's extreme cold warnings. We could see those wind chill temperatures get to -25 or -30 range here on the eastern plains. If you see this cold air tracker, all the gray and aqua colors here, that's the coldest part of these Arctic air intrusion here. Pretty late in the winter to have one of these substantial Arctic blasts come in here, and in fact it could be breaking a lot of long-standing records. You see it comes very close to northeast Colorado here on Wednesday morning. We could even break an all-time low temperature here in Denver on Wednesday morning, and that clears out on Thursday. Low temperatures for you tomorrow, easily in the negatives here in the northeast corner. We're going to be close to zero here along the Front Range, but likely staying just above zero for most of us. Wind chills, though, will be below zero here, -3, -5 across the Front Range. -18 is really the magic number that we really get concerned with wind chills, where that only takes 30 minutes of exposure to bare skin to get frostbite. The eastern plains will be in that -18 range for 48 consecutive hours. So very dangerous wind chills out here on the eastern plains the next couple of days. Your 7-day forecast here in the Denver metro area, -1 is the forecast at the moment here for Wednesday morning. That would only be 3 degrees away from an all-time record. So very cold temperatures here for this late in February for 2 days there in Denver. And then we'll gradually ride the wave up here to some warm temperatures. If you hang in there, we will likely have about 4 or maybe 5 days in the upper 50s and 60s coming up starting this weekend. That is the forecast. I hope you all have a great day.